Scorpio, hi, welcome to the Yellow Mandala. Here we weave stories of the past, present, and the future based on Indian tarot, mysticism, and mythology. So let's get started for your weekly reading. And if this video resonates with you, please hit that like and subscribe button. And let's get started. All right. Scorpio, Knight of Swords, Nine of Cups, Six of Wands, Eight of Swords. Okay, and the overall energy is 10 of Wands. Alright, let's just get clarifying before I speak anything. Feels like you had some sort of a premature kind of communication from someone that you thought was a wish fulfillment and your complete celebration, but then that just gave you nothing but misery. And I mean, maybe someone was in and out, in and out, in and out. Maybe you feel like this person played you, because of which you feel like you don't have any more expectation from this person, because you feel like this connection is like a burden to you, you know. You rather just focus your energy on things that make you feel better. Here I get this person did have a lot of love for you, whoever came forward, or you know what, but then they're not coming from a place of love, I should say. You know, what seemed like love was not love, because they were hurting, and I feel like this person just came in as a rebound kind of thing. And the Lover's card is in reverse, alright? So I feel that even though they came in from a wrong place, it did seem like your wish fulfillment. Like Nine of Cups is a beautiful, joyous card that talks about everything coming together, like all your manifestations coming together and making you happy. Let's just clarify Nine of Cups. Like, why do you have Nine of Cups in the present? Because currently you're feeling that this is your wish fulfillment. Queen of Pentacles, the Sun, and the Ace of Cups. So, Scorpio, let's just be honest with each other. You do feel that the person that you're dealing with is not giving you enough love, right? Your Ace of Cups is in reverse. But then you're still kind of like holding on to it, and you're being hopeful that things might change in the future. Because you see here, Queen of Pentacles, you're holding this thought, this expectation so close to your heart. You're like, I really want this to work out. But then deep down, you do know that there's something missing, you know. The Ace of Cups is in reverse. So someone is holding back the love. But then you feel that if things work out between the two of you, this person is your ultimate wish fulfillment. And the advice to the present is Six of Wands, alright? Now, this need not be, this whole thing need not be in terms of a love situation. It could be a friendship. Maybe you're just, splitting from a friend. You thought that the two of you were BFFs and something happened. The advice to the present moment is the Six of Wands. The King of Swords fell down in reverse. You know, the Queen of Wands upright, and Justice. So basically, the advice to the present is that the justice in the situation will be served. The universe will intervene and show you the right path. And in the meantime, you're going to be the Queen of Wands. Someone who's, like going to paint the town red, like party, like, or meet new people, or go to, I don't know. Obviously you can't party because of the new COVID variant, but perhaps you have a virtual party, or meet new people, or interact with new people. And the King of Swords is in reverse, which indicates that, who are you're dealing with, this person's ready to let their guards down. The future says Ace of Swords. I'm a bit worried because I feel that this person's trying to deceive you. So don't let this person take advantage of you, Scorpio. Because, you're known for your intense nature, yes. So maybe this person's trying to speak to you about the things that you want to hear, and they're probably going to leave you out in the cold again. This is clarify why do you have Eight of Swords in the future. The Page of Swords, Eight of Pentacles in reverse, the Magician. Alright, so maybe this person's tricking you. Like I said, they're just telling you the things that you want to hear. So I know this is not what you might want, because currently you're on this, I'm in a happy mode, I only want good things to work. But then just take it as a warning, Scorpio, and it's just for your own good, because tarot reads are they are omens, and then they are messages from the universe, correct? So currently you're in the mode where you just want everything to work out, and it's seen here. But then someone's holding back love, and who is it? Because in the future you have Eight of Swords, and this person's just using some sort of a trickery to make you listen to things that they know that you want to hear. Do you understand what I mean? And because of which you're not able to focus on anything else in your life, like your career must have suffered. And then Page of Swords is a person who's open to communication. So maybe this person comes in and out of your life, and they're not giving you complete attention. But then you're just waiting for them to give you that 2 seconds of that attention, and they are breadcrumbing you as well. So the overall energy is 8 of Wands. I feel like you're going to decide to walk away from the situation because it's feeling too burdensome for you. Let's see what Scorpio will do. 3 of Cups in reverse, 6 of Wands in reverse, and the Hermit. So you're going 6 of Wands twice, alright? So you're going to be like focusing on yourself. You're going to be celebrating your other achievements in your life because you're the queen, alright? Again, the genders can be reversed. The 3 of Cups, because I feel like this person's just, I mean, I'm so sorry, Scorpio. I really have to say this. I feel like this person's bad news, alright? They're just using you and they're just telling you things that they want to hear. Maybe they want to get something out of you, you know, and then you precisely know what they want from you. And this is going to stop you from celebrating all the good things in life. Maybe this person's going to be the reason why you might stop believing in love, alright? So stop trusting them or stop giving them so much of attention. And eventually you're going to realize why things happen a certain way. Maybe this was a lesson for you, you know, that you are going to come across such jerks in your life. So, you know, you're going to go inwards and perhaps go into the hermit mode, Scorpio. I mean, I get a sense that right now you're in a mode where you just want things to work out. You're really wishing for things to work out, Scorpio. I understand. And maybe you'll hate this video. And I'm really sorry to say that, but this person's not good news for me, you know, because they're just using you, alright? And eventually they're going to hurt you. And if this video resonates, so please take it as a warning that you need to be a bit careful with this person, alright? Because you never know how deceptive this person could be and how toxic this person could be in your life. And eventually you're going to realize that, you know, this person's breadcrumbing you and you deserve nothing but the best. And, you know, you're the queen. You deserve to be cheered on, you know. You deserve for people to roll out that red carpet for you, not stop you from celebrating life. And you're going to realize all these things and go into the hermit mode. And what's your final guidance from the universe? I'm sorry, Scorpio, I really wish I could do better, but I hope this serves as a warning to you, and I hope that, you know, you just stay away from bad news. Alright? Guidance from the universe. 3 of Swords. Oh my god. Someone is out there to hurt someone. Alright? I really hope this doesn't happen to you, but it's a warning. This doesn't mean that you are going to get hurt. This means that you might get hurt, so just stay careful. Alright? Queen of Swords. So you need to go into this Queen of Swords energy where you just cut out bullshit. If you get even a whiff of a sense that someone's taking advantage of you, just cut them out of your life. You know, there's be Queen of Swords, like a no BS mode. It could be any gender. And the last one is 5 of Coins, because you don't want someone to leave you in the cold. And this person, I mean, a lot of these cards are pointing towards the fact that this person's going to be bad news. They're going to probably hurt you and leave you out in the cold. And you need to enter your Queen of Swords mode. You need to like be in that no BS mode. No one's going to take advantage of me. Alright, so yeah, I mean, I really wish I could do better, Scorpio. I'm so sorry. I feel terrible, but these are the messages from the universe, so take it as it resonates. Alright, and I would suggest you do the 30 days of gratitude meditation on the playlist. It's free, and the link is down there. And these will help you navigate through these troubled waters. And I'll see you in the next one. Alright, bye.